Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and I learned to ride and steer. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel.
On the 9th and 10th of November 2024, SRHC, or Seymour Railway Heritage Centre, operated their annual Open Days, which featured a variety of their rolling stock and locomotives.
But it never adds up at all. Coming around the river bank, heard the old train whistle sang. The very next thing.
The event allowed people to get up and close and personal with SRHC's preserved and restored locomotives, as well as some of their rolling stock. The Open Days also featured V-Line locomotive Y102, which had just come out of storage after being put away for 31 years. The locomotive was started for the first time in 31 years on the 25th of October 2024, and this was its first public appearance on the Open Days. was really fun, and I advise all of you to attend next year's open days. The event will be hosted on an annual basis, so if you missed out this year, there's always next year. Anyways, without further ado, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please let me know how I can make my videos better, as well as leave all your positive comments in the comment section below.
What did I